Hello, fellow Instagrammers. I wanted to come on and talk to you guys about how to create these little highlights, these circle highlights that you see on my page, makeup, skincare videos. So I am fairly new to Instagram. I've only been using it consistently for maybe like the last month or so. And I saw another really prominent Instagrammer with these on her profile, and I wanted to learn how to do it. So I did research and figured out how to do it. So essentially what you need to do is, first off, you need to create your graphics for this. Now you're going to make a standard graphic, and it is going to crop it in the little circle format. So this is what the graphic looks like that I made. And I wanted them to look with the same background. I wanted it to look very cohesive. So in order to add those as a highlight on your page, you first need to create the graphics and add them to your story. If you don't know how to add to your story, what you do is you click your profile picture up in the top left corner. Sometimes it will have a little plus sign if you haven't added anything to your story today in the past 24 hours. Other times, like I just added something to my story, so it's not going to have that plus sign. When I click on it, it's going to show what I added. Now, when you go to, how do I get back to that? Okay, then to add another one, all right, top there, the top left corner, I clicked my profile picture with the little blue button. Let me go back and show you. Okay, so I clicked there, and then top left corner right there is how I add another one. If you don't have if you don't have a story already up there, it will show that immediately right on your profile. You won't have to do the extra step. Then you're going to click the photo that you want to add, okay? All right, now I'm not going to add it because I already added it to mine, but you see down in the bottom where it says the plus sign in your story. You click that, and then it's going to add it to your story. Then what you're going to do to add them as a tile, you're going to click new, okay? And then you're going to click one of your highlights, okay, to be your very first highlight. So you can choose any picture that you want, all right? And that's going to be the little circle, and it will give you the option to name it. It will let you center it really nicely. So you're going to choose from something that you've already put in your story. It has to be something that you've already added to your story. Then it's going to show up here in these little buttons. And then to add things to them after the fact, you're going to go back to your story, and down at the very bottom, you click that little highlight button where it's with the little heart, and you're going to select which highlight you want to add it to. Now, I've already added this one to my makeup. That's why you see it checked there. But if I wanted to add it to a different one, I could. Or if you are doing it for the first time, you'll just add it to your highlight. And then these will remain here for as long as you want them. You can click on them if you want to go in and edit them. In the bottom right-hand corner where it says more, you can edit highlight. You can move things around. You can readjust the cover. You can change the name on it. Mine says makeup. It's a great way to add some really nice little bit of professionalism to your page. It is attention grabbing. People are going to want to see what you have there. And as you add more things to your story, you'll be able to add more things to your highlight. Now, you can add more than 3. However, I chose to stick with just 3 because that's what shows up directly when you come to my profile. So I hope this is really helpful for you. If you have any questions, you can certainly reach out to me. And I hope you guys have a great night.